Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to rotate a picture using Photoshop. First, drag a pic and drop in Photoshop. Then using hand tool, rotate view tool. Then you can rotate image in any angle. You can rotate this picture any angle as you want. Drag this picture and drop Photoshop. Then select rotate view tool, then rotate any angle. Then save this picture, press Ctrl Shift S, change name, you can change also save as type JPG, PNG, portable bitmap as you want. And select PNG format, then click save, then OK. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.